As a leader in retail pharmacy, Walgreens believes in giving back to their communities. They're committed to reducing their carbon footprint across more than 9,000 locations, while supporting expanded global energy and resiliency goals.
GridPoint has been a partner of Walgreens in energy and sustainability since 2009. And in that long period of time, Walgreens has reduced energy use by more than 80 million kilowatt hours annually. That's the same as powering 10,000 homes for a single year. Not only is the company contributing to a more sustainable future, but is also cutting its operating costs at the same time.
Walgreens also leverages GridPoint's smart building technology to make its stores grid interactive, enabling them to participate in programs like demand response. Demand response is key to decarbonization and empowers energy consumers to become active participants in grid stability by reducing electricity use during peak times.
In a challenging year, Walgreens rose to the occasion. Throughout 2020, we participated in every DR event our enrolled stores qualified for. By partnering with GridPoint, we were able to participate in these events while keeping essential zones like the pharmacy functioning normally through the height of the pandemic. They also helped us monitor our stores for outages and other issues so we could continue serving our customers 24/7.
Demand response is essential during times of crisis. In August 2020, the California grid experienced emergency conditions, resulting in rolling blackouts across the state.
Since Walgreens had a demand response process in place through GridPoint, we were able to help by immediately and voluntarily reducing energy consumption to free up the grid capacity, so buildings that needed it most, like hospitals, kept their power on throughout the blackouts.
Walgreens, in partnership with GridPoint, is helping to create the blueprint for how other businesses will interact with utilities and the grid going forward.
Programs like this are absolutely key to modernizing the grid and creating a more sustainable future at the same time. We are so proud to partner with a leader like Walgreens to make this a reality.